Just a few years ago, GoPro was the go-to action camera for adventurers and content creators. But the landscape has changed. Rivals like Insta360 and DJI have brought fresh competition, and with the newly announced Osmo Action 5 Pro, DJI has made bold strides against GoPro's Hero 13 Black. The Action 5 Pro boasts a bigger sensor, better water resistance, longer battery life, and sharper displays. Yet GoPro's new HB lens series and modular design keep it in the fight. So, which one is right for you? Let's see how they compare in terms of image quality, usability, and versatility. Both cameras come with a dual-screen setup, perfect for vloggers and adventurers who need to keep an eye on the shot from any angle. The GoPro Hero 13 Black sticks to its signature style with two LCD screens, while DJI steps it up a notch with dual OLED screens, offering better contrast and visibility, especially in low-light conditions. DJI's design isn't just about flashy screens, though. It's lighter, at 146 grams compared to GoPro's 154 grams, making it a bit more comfortable to handle over long shooting sessions. And when it comes to durability, DJI is once again pushing boundaries. It's waterproof up to 20 meters without a case, twice the depth of GoPro. That's a significant upgrade for divers and snorkelers out there. And here's the kicker. The Action 5 can handle extreme temps down to 20 degrees Celsius. That's perfect for winter sports or diving without worrying about overheating. But GoPro still holds its own in extreme situations, with GoPro's tough-as-nails build and incredible slow-motion capabilities. It's just a little less rugged when you're diving deep or hitting the slopes in freezing temps. Moreover, DJI comes with built-in 47 GB of storage, a lifesaver if you ever forget your microSD card. GoPro, on the other hand, sticks to external storage only. Plus, DJI throws in a fun little bonus, the always-on display. So even when you're not recording, you can still keep track of vital stats. Cool, right? Point goes to DJI for making life a little easier. Now, when it comes to image quality, these two cameras have very different strengths. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro boasts a 40-megapixel sensor compared to GoPro's 27 megapixels. That's a huge bump in resolution. Plus, DJI's larger 1x1.3-inch sensor really shines in low-light conditions. Whether you're hiking at dawn or capturing those golden hour sunsets, the Action 5's dynamic range is going to give you those crisp, clear shots. DJI's Super Night mode, while not perfect, still manages to handle low-light situations better than the GoPro, which lacks a dedicated low-light feature. The color accuracy is also improved with DJI's color temperature sensor, ensuring more realistic tones across various lighting conditions. But don't count GoPro out just yet. While the Hero 13 Black may have a smaller sensor, it packs some incredible HDR and HLG modes for better exposure control. This means no more blown-out skies when you're filming on bright, sunny days. For video enthusiasts, GoPro maintains its dominance in high-resolution footage, offering 5.3K at 60 FPS. It's a dream for anyone who needs to crop in during editing while maintaining clarity. However, the Osmo Action 5 Pro isn't far behind, offering 4K at up to 120 FPS for buttery smooth slow-motion shots. While DJI doesn't hit the 5.3K mark, its high frame rate options and larger sensor give it a leg up in versatility. Slow-mo fans will be happy to hear that the GoPro tops out at 400 FPS in 720p, while DJI boasts 960 FPS in 1080p thanks to interpolation. Though it's not true slow-mo, it's still a powerful tool for creative shots. So, if resolution and low-light performance are at the top of your list, DJI's the winner. But GoPro's HDR modes and higher video resolution might tip the scales for some of you creators out there. GoPro's accessory ecosystem is legendary, and it continues to expand with the Hero 13 Black. The new HB lens series is a game-changer, allowing you to swap lenses for different creative effects, from ultra-wide to macro. This semi-modular approach is unique and could be a deciding factor for creators looking for versatility. DJI, while not as accessory-heavy, has its own strengths. The Osmo Action 5 Pro seamlessly integrates with the DJI Mic 2, offering superior audio quality and easy connectivity. Plus, it plays nicely with DJI's drones, allowing for synchronized color modes across devices. a real perk for those already in the DJI ecosystem. Let's talk about two of the most important things for any adventurer: battery life and durability. The DJI Action 5 Pro takes a bold step forward here. It packs a 1950 mAh battery that gives you up to 4 hours of 1080p recording, double what the GoPro Hero 13 can manage. So, let's talk price. The DJI Action 5 Pro starts at $349, making it slightly more affordable than the GoPro Hero 13, which comes in at $399. Depending on the bundle, though, that price gap could shift. Both the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and the GoPro Hero 13 Black have their own strengths, whether it's DJI's impressive low-light performance and battery life, or GoPro's creative flexibility and HDR capabilities. Whichever one you pick, you're getting a top-tier action cam packed with features to capture your adventures in stunning detail. Let us know in the comments, are you Team DJI or Team GoPro? Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.